the Halloween Jam at Children's Fairyland. Now, if you want to be scared, what could be a better setting than an historic Victorian mansion? It's back for 5 nights only. Mayhem Mansion is what they're calling the spookily transformed Haas Lilienthal house. That landmark San Francisco Queen Anne is a freak show, and you never know who or what is behind each turn. You can calm your nerves before or after in the basement saloon, the Spook Easy. Tickets for Mayhem Mansion are on Eventbrite through October 29th. Now, if you're a fan of musical theater, there's some big ones in town. There's a reason why Moulin Rouge won 10 Tony Awards, and now you can enter the world of French Bohemia. Moulin Rouge, the musical, plays at San Francisco's Orpheum Theater through November 6th. Meantime, at the Golden Gate Theater, it's the rock musical Jagged Little Pill, a musical based on the Watershed album of the same name from Alanis Morissette. Tickets are selling briskly. Jagged Little Pill at the Golden Gate Theater through November 6th. Kim Wonderly, KCBS.
Have you spotted a UFO recently? Don't answer that. There are way more sightings in California than anywhere else. Here's KCBS's Jim Taylor with the numbers.
We put in a call to Peter Davenport, very busy director, National UFO Reporting Center.
People want to talk about their sighting. We just don't have enough time in our day to take all these calls.
How many calls do you get, Peter?
Oh, between 20 and 50 a day.
And each one is related to a sighting of a UFO.
Sighting of an alleged or perceived UFO.
More than 15,000 California UFO reports in the last 24 years. That's more than double the next closest state, Florida.
People are becoming much more attuned